Loading a DataStage dataset into Excel sounds tricky, but trust me, it's easier than explaining a bad haircut. First, grasp the dataset structure, no mysteries here. Then configure DataStage for Excel export like setting up the perfect playlist. Mapping columns is key, so think of it as matching socks, just make sure they align. Finally, don't let multiple worksheets confuse you. Manage them like organizing your snack drawer. Hi everyone, I am Catherine Scott, and for over 12 years, I have helped businesses like yours harness the power of ERP systems to unlock their full potential. Today, I want to walk you through how our solution doesn't just meet your needs, it anticipates them. Think of it as your business nervous system, intelligent, responsive, and always working for you. Let's dive into the technical magic behind it, because when you understand how it works, you'll see exactly why it's a game changer. DataStage is a powerhouse in ETL and Excel. Well, it's everyone's go-to spreadsheet friend. Integrating the two is like pairing a gourmet meal with the perfect wine. It just makes sense. The big plus, streamlined data flow and easy reporting. But beware of challenges. Data formatting can be as unpredictable as my Wi-Fi connection. Let's break it down and make integration smooth and effortless. Think of DataStage datasets as neatly packed suitcases. They store data efficiently, but only if packed right. Their structure defines how data is arranged, and metadata is like luggage tags. It keeps things identifiable. Following best practices ensures smooth processing, much like knowing the airport rules ahead of time. So let's unpack these concepts and get your data journey off to a flying start. Exporting DataStage data to Excel shouldn't feel like defusing a bomb. Just follow the right steps. Choosing the right export options is crucial, so don't pick settings blindly. Define file paths properly. Yes, it's as important as knowing where you saved your car keys. Excel compatibility is a must, and optimizing performance ensures smooth operations. Let's do this efficiently and save ourselves some headaches. All right, folks, let's talk about column widths, because who enjoys squinting at chopped-off text? Make sure your data fits nicely in the cells. Headers should be aligned properly or risk giving your audience a headache. Don't forget formatting. It's like dressing up your spreadsheet for a business meeting. Oh, and hidden columns. They love playing hide and seek, so check for those too. Now onto running the DataStage job. Think of it like cooking a recipe, but for data. First, set the parameters right, because a dash too much could lead to disaster. Monitor the execution closely. No one wants a half-baked result. Ensure the data exports correctly. Nobody likes surprises in their reports. And finally, save the file properly, because losing work is worse than misplacing your coffee. Validation time. Think of it as proofreading, but for numbers. First, ensure all data is there. Missing values can be sneaky. Formatting should be consistent, or your spreadsheet might look like it dressed in mismatched socks. Double-check formulas, because an error here could mean reporting the wrong revenue. And always compare with the source data, because accuracy is key. Troubleshooting, every data professional's rite of passage. Error messages are like cryptic riddles, but once solved, they make sense. Check your source data, because garbage in equals garbage out. Confirm your export settings match expectations. Don't let a tiny mismatch ruin your day. And when in doubt, ask for help. Even the best troubleshooters need backup sometimes. Best practices, the secret sauce of smooth data exports. Formatting should be consistent, like a well-organized wardrobe. Accuracy matters, because one small mistake could snowball into a big problem. Always keep backups, just in case your file decides to mysteriously disappear. And document the process. It's like leaving a treasure map for future explorers. We've covered a lot, and now it's time to wrap up. Remember the key points so you don't fall into common pitfalls. Adopt best practices and make your data exports flawless. And if you ever get stuck, resources are available to help, because learning never stops. Keep these insights handy, and soon you'll be a master of Excel data exports. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel.